Hi guys, I'm Cheryl Locke with Off the Jacks down here at SEMA 2019, and I am with builder Johny G.
Right.
And he is going to tell us about this C10 truck. So, Johnny, where are you out of?
So we're out of Phoenix, Arizona.
Oh, you're not far from here.
Yeah, that's it.
So, did you drive it?
No, we trailered it. We thought about it, but no, we trailered it. It's got about 5 miles on it.
Oh, well, you know what? After SEMA, are you going to have it out and running?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good. Okay, I didn't want it to just sit in a garage.
No, it won't.
So, this is a 1966
Correct.
Chevy C10.
Correct.
And I'm pretty sure it didn't look this good when you got it.
No, it actually started out as a long bed, small window. It came out of Nevada, so it's super dry. It's all original paint besides the top. So yeah, my buddy Kyle Oxberger, he's the one who does all the metal work, and we did the build together. It started, his customer just wanted to go mild, and then we teamed up with United Pacific, and they asked us about SEMA, and we said, yeah, let's do SEMA. So it kind of, how it kind of snowballs into what you see here today.
And how long did it take you from start to finish on this?
I want to say we have about 6 months. 6 months in it. Yeah.
And that's not bad for. I mean, it's really nice. So.
Yeah. So the body's original paint. Like I said, it's just polished. But we did a full chassis. We had the truck completely blown apart. It's got the diesel 2.8 that just came out.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's a little different from what everybody's doing, but that kind of gives it that wow factor.
And how does it sound when it's running?
It sounds like a little tractor, a little diesel tractor, but it's got a turbo on it, so it should perform just fine.
And so you've built this for a client?
Yeah.
Oh, I was looking forward to seeing you running down the road in it.
Oh, we'll put quite a bit of test miles on it.
Oh, because that is testing, right?
Yeah.
And so, was there anybody? We want to make sure you get everybody in that helped you build this, because we know it takes a lot of people to do something like this. So, like your interior and everything inside looks to be totally redone.
Yeah. So our interior, we did a full TMI interior. They're actually here. We had a local guy, Connect Audio. We did there's a super big stereo that's covered by the seat.
Oh.
But, yeah, it's got a big stereo in it. Dakota Digital, we did their new RTX series. They actually put our logo in the custom gauge cluster, so that turned out cool. And it was just, the interior is fully painted. Just came together really nice. Yeah.
I think it looks great. And so with the diesel, is that something you usually do with your builds?
No, well, we usually do LS powered stuff. Yeah, but the owner, his name's Morgan Youngberg. He works on a lot of diesel equipment, so he wanted to do something a little different. And that 2.8 just came out, I think, the end of 18. So that's why we opted to do the
And I know a lot of these old, you see a lot of the old trucks and old cars, even some rat rods are going with the LS swap or the diesels, because they're just easier nowadays. Gas mileage and everything.
Exactly. Yeah.
So where can people find you online so that they can check out what you're doing and other builds you might be building?
We've done tons of builds. My Instagram is at 66Chevy, and my partner, his is at Metalox on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you have plans for doing something coming for next SEMA?
Every SEMA, it's always like, I'm never gonna do one of these again, and then a couple months in, you're like, all right, let's do something. So this is my third SEMA build, so something will come up. Something will come along.
I was gonna say, most of you guys always say, oh, I don't know, I might take a break, and then I come back and there you are.
Exactly.
Everybody needs to go follow you on Instagram to see what you are doing, so we know, that you're going to be here next year. I feel guaranteed. And so we want to make sure everybody knows that Union Pacific is where you're at here at SEMA, and they've sponsored you a spot which is really nice. You're indoors on the carpet.
Oh yeah.
You even have cushy seats.
Yeah.
And I look forward to seeing you next year, because I have no doubt you're going to be back.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.